Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to use Google Lens on Android in 2025. If you're not familiar, Google Lens is an awesome AI-powered tool that lets you search and learn about the world around you using your phone's camera. It's super handy for identifying objects, translating text, or even finding similar products, and it's gotten even smarter in 2025 with improved accuracy and faster results. First, make sure you have the latest Google app installed on your Android device. It's available for free on the Google Play Store. Once that's done, open the Google app and look for the Lens icon. It's that colorful camera symbol at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. To get started, tap the Lens icon to launch it. Your camera will activate, so point it at whatever you're curious about. For example, if you're outdoors and spot an unknown plant, just frame it in the viewfinder. Google Lens will analyze it in seconds and pull up details like the plant's name, care tips, or even if it's edible. One of my favorite features is text translation. If you're traveling and see a sign in another language, point your camera at it, select the translate option, and voila, it's instantly translated on your screen. In 2025, this works even offline for many languages with downloaded packs. Another cool use is for shopping. Snap a picture of a product, like a gadget or clothing item, and Google Lens will search for similar items, prices, and reviews from various stores. It's a quick way to compare deals without typing anything. Pro tip: for the best results, ensure you're in a well-lit area and have a stable internet connection. You can also access Google Lens directly from Google Photos by opening an image and tapping the Lens icon, perfect for old photos you want to learn more about. In conclusion, Google Lens on Android is a game changer for everyday curiosity and productivity. Give it a try today and see how it simplifies your life. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.